If you want a simple way to manage your passwords, login details, and secure notes, installing the Bitwarden extension on Firefox is a great place to start. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to install the official Bitwarden extension on Mozilla Firefox, step by step, so you can get set up quickly and safely. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. This is where the whole process begins, so make sure Firefox is running and you're on your desktop or home screen. Once Firefox is open, look toward the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-line menu, also called the hamburger menu. This menu gives you access to several Firefox settings and tools. From the menu, click on Extensions and Themes. This will take you to the Firefox Add-Ons area, where you can browse and install official browser extensions. On the Add-Ons page, select the Extensions section if it isn't already open. This is where Firefox lists available add-ons specifically for the browser itself. Now use the search bar and type Bitwarden, then press Enter. Firefox will show you search results related to Bitwarden, so take your time and make sure you're selecting the correct one. This part is important because you want the official extension, not a similar looking copy or unrelated add-on. Look for the Bitwarden Password Manager extension published by Bitwarden Inc. That publisher name matters because it confirms you're installing the official version. Click the extension to open its details page where you can review more information about what it does and the permissions it may need. Once you're on the details page, click the Add to Firefox button. Firefox may display a permissions prompt asking for approval before the extension can be installed. This is normal, so read the requested permissions carefully, then click Add to confirm. After that, Firefox will download and install the Bitwarden extension automatically. When the installation finishes, you should see the Bitwarden icon appear in your Firefox toolbar or extension area. From there, you can sign into your Bitwarden account or create one if you're new. That means your password manager is now ready to help you autofill logins, store secure passwords, and keep your accounts organized. So that's how to install the Bitwarden extension on Firefox in just a few easy steps. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more helpful tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.